Problem, two bodies A and B of their masses 1 kg and 3 kg are dropped from height 16 meter. So we can take HA and HB heights respectively. The ratio of time taken by them to reach the ground. We need to find out the ratio of times. The given data is HA equal to 16 meter and HB equal to how much given, 25 meters. Okay, and we know time taken by the body to reach the ground from certain height, T equal to 2h by g. Now, so Ta by Tb equal to, so root over, so I'm considering 2h a by g by root over 2hb by g. So if you do it, you'll get it. So you can take 2h by g into g by 2hb. So here what are the terms will get cancelled? So here you can understand g get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. The remaining values are ha by hb, ha by hb. So then we can see, so ha is 16 by 25. So we'll get the answer 4 by 5. So this is the answer. So we can see the ratio. Ratio is HA is to HB equal to 4 is to 5. So we'll see, or 4 by 5. So we can see the answer. What is that? Answer is 4 by 5. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you so much.